Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to jump right into this video and show you how I use my Formulate products to wash and condition my hair. So the first thing that I do is I detangle my hair. I was wearing my hair in 2 braids for the past 2 weeks, and so I finally decided I'm going to take it down and give myself a nice wash. So that's what you see me doing here. I am going to start with finger detangling. If you've seen past videos, you already know that I finger detangle, and every once in a while I will use a comb. So what you see me doing here is finger detangling and then using a comb to properly detangle my hair before I jump into the shampoo process. The very next thing that I do is I get my personalized shampoo and I do about 3 to 4 pumps and apply that to each section of my hair. I massage my scalp and I apply the shampoo to the length of my hair. The goal is to basically get my scalp nice and clean, get the length of my hair nice and clean. This shampoo very much feels like a co-wash, so it doesn't really get sudsy. You don't get the soap suds, but your scalp does feel clean. You feel an instant type of a clean as you're shampooing your hair. And so for the purpose of filming this video, I'm not shampooing in my actual sink. Only because I want to be able to demonstrate what I'm doing. The next thing that I do is I get my scalp massager and I use that to basically help lift any dirt that's on my scalp. And then I rinse out my shampoo with warm water. Now you can see what my hair is kind of looking like. That's a texture shot after using the shampoo. I don't know if you can tell, my hair is pretty detangled, but I'm gonna do a little bit more detangling as I add the conditioner to my hair. So what I am doing is I'm going in and detangling some more because my hair gets tangled. That's just what it does. It doesn't really stay detangled. And that's the reason why I kind of do my hair in sections, kind of to minimize product waste and to make sure that I'm distributing product all throughout my hair. So that's what you see me doing here. I really like this conditioner because it has great slip. The directions tell you to use, I think it's 4 pumps, but I'm using anywhere between, I think about 4 to 6 pumps per section, but that's also because I like to get my hair super moisturized. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to deep condition my hair with heat. So I'm going to take my plastic cap and use my soft bonnet dryer to basically give me a deep conditioning treatment because I want these products to really penetrate my strands. I have low porosity hair, so in order to get the benefits of using good conditioners, I've got to use heat. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like after conditioning. My hair feels very soft, very smooth. It's actually kind of therapeutic to touch my hair. So yeah, the next thing I do is I wash it out with cold water. And yeah, now we're gonna jump into the review. Y'all, my hair feels so soft. It is unfreaking believable. Can we talk about how healthy my hair looks too? Like, this whole protective styling and weaving stuff is working, I think. This journey to waist length, this is unbelievable. It feels so moisturized and soft. Wow. That's all I'm gonna say. I like this formula way better than the first one. Keeping it real. The first one felt like a clarifying shampoo. This one felt more like a co-wash. The conditioner was really nice. I wish y'all could touch my hair. It feels so gorgeous and it's just soft. Like, it's unbelievably soft. Just look at that. Can we talk about how thick my hair is? It's so bouncy. I don't know y'all. I'm impressed. I like it. So yeah, this is my experience using Formulate. I will say my hair feels lovely, very minimal shedding. The shrinkage is real, but I love what my hair is looking like. If you want a more detailed review on these Formulate products, or you want to enter my giveaway to receive your very own set of these Formulate products, go ahead and check out the link down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Deuces.